Which of the following can store information in the form of microscopic pits on metal disks? A device for converting handwritten impressions into coded characters and positional coordinates for input to a computer is. A storage system for small amounts of data is. Which is another name for functional language. Compilers and interpreters are themselves. A compiler means a pen-shaped device which can sense light, and is used to point at spots on a video screen. A notation used to express clearly on algorithm is known as. Compression of digital data for efficient storage is. An operating system intended for use on microprocessor-based systems that support a single user is. Which programming language is based on ALGOL 60? Computer memory consists of. A path by which communication is achieved between a central processor and other devices is called. A standalone system which produces one page of printed output at a time is. A memory that does not change its contents without external causes is known as. The report card and merit list forms the. A number which is stored and processed but not in the standard exponential form is called. A memory that holds microprograms is. A device invented by Dr. Bobak in 1966, for mass storage of data is. The organization and interconnection of the various components of a computer system is. Which of the following is the coding of data so that it can't be easily understood if intercepted? RAM is used as a short memory because it is. A modern electronic computer is a machine that is meant for. Which is a device that changes information into digital form. An index register that is automatically incremented or decremented with each use is. Which network is a packet switching network? Symbolic languages were developed in. As compared to diskettes, the hard disks are. Who is considered the father of the mini-computer and one of the founder fathers of the modern computer industry worldwide? What is the name given to the molecular scale computer? The first microprocessors produced by Intel Corn and Texas Instruments were used primarily to control small. Which printer uses a combination of laser beam and electrophotographic techniques? A billionth of a second is defined as a. Which of the following is not currently a topic in computer science? Where have the program and data to be located before the ILU and control unit of a computer can operate on it? When was Apple Macintosh II microcomputer introduced in the market? control unit of a digital computer is often called the unit of a computer system that executes program, communicates with and often controls the operation of other subsystems of the computer is known as. Human beings are referred to as Homo sapiens. Which device is called Silico sapiens? Which access method is used for obtaining a record from a cassette tape? The most important advantage of a video disc is the process of entering data into a storage location. Time during which a job is processed by the computer is. Which of the following is used to ensure the high quality of computer output? The most common binary code in use today is the 8-bit ASCII code. What do the letters ASCII stand for? The software used to convert source program instructions to object instruction is known as. Binary numbers need more places for counting because backing storage is so named because it the ASCII code for the character J is offline operation is the operation of devices without the control of. What is meant by a dedicated computer? Which of the following is the user-programmed semiconductor memory? An instruction that transfers program control to one or more possible paths is known as. The two kinds of main memory are Name of the first guided weapon in the world which used a programmable digital computer. Programs designed to perform specific tasks is known as. What is the name given to the weapons which use computerized guidance system? A monitor's underscore is the distance between the holes in the mask behind the screen. This helps determine how sharp the dots appear. The ALU of a computer normally contains a number of high-speed storage elements called. What is the name of the printer which prints all the A's in a line before all the B's? A underscore is simply an arrangement where multiple disk drives appear as a single disk drive to the user. Conversion of binary number 1 quadrillion 10 trillion 101 billion 10,111 to hexadecimal number is. In comparison with static RAM memory, the dynamic RAM memory has. Which of the following holds data and processing instructions temporarily until the CPU needs it? A multi-programming system is one that can The language that is an input for statement translation is called. All the instructions and procedures needed to start up a computer, to the point it can load an operating system, are stored in ROM chips. In IBM-compatible PCs this is called the underscore. Before a disk drive can access any sector record, a computer program has to provide the record's disk address. What information does this address specify? A high-speed device used in CPU for temporary storage during processing is called. Computers are extremely fast and have fantastic memories. However, the only thing they can remember is